Do you ship products yourself to Amazon customers? If you do, that this video may assist you with saving money. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group. And at the end of this video, I'll show you where I get all my news updates on Amazon. Let's dive in. So here is one of Amazon's updates for FedEx shipping method. This is a new method that Amazon added. So they added two different methods, and the first one is FedEx Ground Economy, which may be saving you money. So I recommend to implement this if you are shipping directly to customers. See if it costs less. And FedEx does have free pickups, which is a great option compared to UPS that doesn't have free pickups. And FedEx is more reliable in my professional opinion compared to USPS. So this may be a great option if you are a small or medium-sized business, and it kind of shows some of the specifications of this. And then the other thing is FedEx One Rate, and this has special FedEx packaging that has been involved. And the big benefit about this one is use with Amazon protection to be refunded for claims due to delivery issues. So that's huge. If there's any delivery issues, it looks like Amazon protection is included and you'll get refunded. So if you have been shipping with USPS, UPS, and the customer's like, I didn't get it, or there's a delivery issue, it looks like if you use FedEx One Rate, Amazon is saying you will be protected and you can get a full refund if something does occur, which is a huge benefit of this. And this is the highlight of today's video. So thank you for staying till the end, and to figure out and to find out all of Amazon's news, all you have to do is sign in to Amazon Seller Central. Then on the right side, there's a news icon right here. You're just gonna click read more at the bottom, and then it's going to give you access to all of Amazon's latest news. So let's see, join the discussion. You can see bookmark by category, see all recent news here. And now we're gonna see the latest on September 4th. We've got September 3rd, August 28th. So you can see all of the most recent news from Amazon. And some of these are extremely important. You can see this one has a webinar that's gonna help customers. And yeah, you can go from there. But if you did enjoy this video or learn something new, please do drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend to subscribe, because we're gonna be launching a lot more videos that's gonna help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, don't just work on Amazon yourself if it's taking up so much time. Hire somebody like EHP Consulting Group, where we do full Amazon account management to help you increase your sales on Amazon. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.